Ni hao. Listen, now, today, we would like to have a BOM with icon. How to solve this problem? For example, here we have a project, little project, okay? If we now open the project, now we have a BOM, okay? This BOM. We would like to export in Excel. So we go here, for example, here, I begin from 0. I go, I for example, fix here. I add a BOM, bill of material, insert, table, bill of material, okay? Then I choose part level or top level. I choose part level, okay? And then here I move. I don't want to attack this one, okay? I want, for example, go here. Here, I don't know where, here, for example. Very easy. I go here and I want to save. When I want to save as, okay, I choose Excel, okay, or XLSX, and then what I choose Tumbal, this one, okay. I go in my folder, in my folder, for example, I don't know, here, okay. I choose the name, BOM, okay, and then save. I must have Excel installed, of course, and then I make save. When I go here, here, open. I go here. Here, there is a BOM here. Can you see? This is Excel generate. Here, I have the preview, the number, the material, everything. It's very easy. You must have Excel installed, okay? This is BOM by part, or you can choose by level. If I choose in this way, I change the dent, so I change, for example, the tailed number, okay? And then this is all by level. This is assembly, this is assembly, this is, and then I like, for example, to formatting, for example, on the left or right. So this is, can you see? Look now. Now I go here, press always save as, choose not template but Excel, tick tomb veil, and then choose BOM by level. Here. By level, okay? And then save. And now Excel will work and have a new table like this, BOM by level. Can you see? I double click here and start Excel. Okay. This is by part. I'm sorry. I'm wrong. Here. No, sorry. Here. Yes, this is by level. Okay. Here. By level. Okay. Can you see? This is assembly. This is part. This is part. This is assembly. And this is part belong to this assembly. Okay? So I think it's clear now. It's more clear. Then there is another problem. For example, okay, this is one problem, and now there is another problem. For example, if I want to personalize the profile of welding, how to do it? For example, I want to personalize one profile. I must do in this way. For example, I press new, okay, I choose part. I must design, for example, my profile. For example, I can say this one. I can say I want a new profile. I take this one, then make, for example, 50. I want, for example, thickness 8 millimeters. Here I choose, for example, 10 millimeter. Okay. And then here, for example, I want a profile 100 millimeter. Okay. Okay. Now I want to use this profile as my weldment profile. So I must do it this way. I must press Control, then I must go here, and then Save As. Save As, I choose here, I choose this special extension. Special extension is here. Wait 1 second, Form Tool, not lib. Here, lib part. Can you see lib part? I go in lib, I go in my, for example, I go in my library here, for example. I choose my profile, profili di saldature, and then, wait 1 second, profili di saldature here. Poi potete cartella, saldature, profili di saldature, questa è here. Okay? Then here I can choose a new library. For example, I can choose Angelo, okay, my new library. Can you see? And then inside I create a new subfolder. For example, square library, square, and for example, circle. This is just an example, okay? Circle, okay, circle. Then this is my, and then also, for example, rectangle here. I choose another one, rectangle, okay, rectangle, okay, and then I put this one, and I choose the name of my profile, and I call, for example, rectangle 01, for example. Now, okay, and make save, like lib fit lib part, okay, save. Look now how it changed. Okay, now with this one, I can exit, close, okay, and here I can do like this. I make a new part, okay, make a little profile. For example, I want this one. For example, here I want 1 meter. Then I go, for example, here, and then here. Here I want this 1 meter. And here I want, for example, 135 degrees, okay, and stop. Okay, now I want to use my new profile, so I go here. I said weldments, structural member. I choose my standard. Can you see there is Angelo here? Angelo, and inside Angelo, look. There is also, look here. Can you see? Here we are here in Angelo, this one. Then I go inside Angelo and there is a circle, rectangle or square. Can you see? Look here. Inside Angelo is a circle, rectangle, square. We want, for example, go inside a rectangle. So we choose rectangle, and now we saw our profile, new profile. Can you see? This profile is the same what we draw before. Okay, and now I choose this one, of course. And so, and now with my new profile, I can make new weldments with my profile. Can you see? This is my profile. This is so you can personalize your profile. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.